Do your kid always try to be with you and it's not allowing to do any other activity? Then you need to watch this video. Children around 3 years of age always try to be with mother. The attachment they have with the mother is quite normal. So you no need to oppose this attitude of children being attached to the mother. Every day when they get up, they want to see mother's face. So just try to be around them so that entire day their mood will be very good. Also, if you want to make your child come out of this attitude, then you need to understand that the child have an instinct to explore the entire world. So try to use this attitude of children to make them away from you for quite some time. So when you are in kitchen, try to give them some vegetables and guide them how to explore it. So you try to explain them the texture of the vegetable, the leaves, how long it is, and how organized the vegetables are. So and give them some more vegetables to explore. So they try to imitate you and they try to explore it in detail. So this is how you can engage them for quite some time. In between, when they are exploring the vegetables, ensure that you are around it. The feeling of attachment is because they are feeling insecure. So once we try to acknowledge them that we are around it, they will get a sense of secure feeling. So gradually you can ensure that you are inside the house and let them explore the things. When this activity continues, then they will be of their own exploring the things and they will gradually reduce the over attachment to the mother. Thank you so much for watching this video.